For construction use, logging, mining, anywhere steep grades or heavy loads are found, Eaton makes deep reduction transmissions. Dale is going to tell us about this 8LL model.
These construction transmissions have basically two personalities. They have to be able to handle heavy loads, and they also have to be able to get up to highway speeds. The controls for deep reduction are on top of the shift lever. You will have your high-low range valve, and you'll also have the deep reduction button on the side of your shift lever. One of the things with this model is that the deep reduction can be mounted on the dash. So look for it either on the dash with that lever, or look for it to be on your shift knob. These heavy-duty construction model transmissions have a ratio of 23:1, and that ratio is made for steep grades, heavy loads, and high torque for low speeds.
Dale, what can you tell us about this model?
Transmission that we're driving right now is an 8LL construction model, and it has a simple 8-shift type pattern. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop and demonstrate how to shift into deep reduction. First thing that you want to do is to be able to move the deep reduction button forward or the lever to the in position. You move your shift lever into the low gear position. Your button will be forward or your lever will be in. At that point in time, you take and let your clutch out and apply the accelerator and start moving. To get out of low or deep reduction, you move the lever to the out position or the splitter button rearward, get off the accelerator, push the clutch in, and continue going on down. You'll be able to upshift it like a normal 8 or a 10-speed transmission.
Dale, Eaton also makes a 9LL transmission with deep reduction or low gears, which is similar to this 8LL, right?
You're right. Either model shifts basically the same. They both have the same H pattern, and they both have the deep reduction valves.
Eaton also makes a 15-speed, which has a similar pattern to the 5-speed, right?
That's correct, but one of the things that you'll notice from the 8LL or 9LL to a 15-speed is there's no low gear position. 15-speed has 5 gears in deep reduction plus reverse, 5 gears in low range plus reverse, and 5 gears in high range plus reverse.
What type of shifting combinations are available on the 15-speed?
There's quite a variety. You can use all 12 progressive steps. But remember to shift one gear position down from any deep reduction gear to low range. Load and terrain will determine which deep reduction gears you need. If you don't need deep reduction, you can operate the 15-speed like a normal 10-speed. Another important point I'd like to make is for all deep reduction transmissions, the lowest gear position for deep reduction going to low range has a very steep step, and you have to have enough momentum in the vehicle to make that step.
In summary, deep reduction transmissions provide for tremendous low-speed power for off-road or extra heavy applications, and also provide the right gearing for on-highway use. The deep reduction gearing is selected by either a button on the shift knob or by a dash-mounted lever. Do not wait to make your shift after moving the deep reduction button or lever. Complete the shift immediately after moving the button or lever. Never use the deep reduction button or lever when the shift lever is in the neutral position and the truck is moving. On the 15-speed transmissions, there are a variety of available shifting combinations. Your decision should be based on load, grade, and road conditions.